Shaka! It's the one and only Hibs Happy Hour. This week we're going to cover a special recipe from the Diffords cocktail library book. This is going to be a Tommy's Margarita. Now this is a variation of a margarita where you do not need to use triple sec, which is Contro. So what we need for this, a good tequila, and if you're going to choose a tequila, make sure it's the 100% Agave tequila, genuine tequila, the best stuff you can get. You can usually pick this up for about £20 a bottle. It's a really good tequila, this one. And then we need a lime, essential, and then we need some Agave Nectar Syrup. And that's all you need. 2 stages to this. First stage, we're gonna shake this with crushed ice, and then instead of putting this in a margarita glass, which is like a coupe style glass with a salt rim, we are using like a tumbler, and this is really nice because we're gonna use 2 sphere ice cubes, and this is really nice for decoration. So it's almost like a short in a glass tumbler. So first of all, we're gonna take half a shot of the Agave Nectar. Always put this in first because this is not always easy. It's going to line the shot glass. Put that over the crushed ice. Then 2 shots of the tequila. And then 1 shot of the freshly squeezed lime. It's always good to sieve this as well. So then we're going to shake this with the crushed ice. It really waters down. A very important process. Boom! So I'm just going to put all the crushed ice in with this. Now you can serve this with a nice garnish of lime. Wow, that is absolutely superb. Really good. Really authentic Mexican drink this. The tequila and the Agave Nectar, which obviously goes with the tequila because that's what it's made from, Agave. It's absolutely superb. I will give this a solid 10 out of 10. I really do like tequila. This is just perfect on its own. No salt rim or anything. So really happy Friday, everybody. Really hope you enjoyed the show. Please do not forget to subscribe. Also look at the other playlists we've got with tequila style drinks, and I've got a whole library of different cocktails that I've been making. Happy Friday, enjoy.